Hello YouTube, Ipod Touch Help here, and I'm here to show you how to restore your iPod without connecting it to iTunes. I don't know, people might have the problem by doing this, but I'm going to show you how to. And this is my basic iPod right here. I just moved most of the apps like all over to this utilities thing. It's all in there. It doesn't matter if I like delete everything because I don't really care. Well, this is how you do it. You just go to settings. I'm sorry you didn't even see that, but this is my basic iPod. And yeah. And then you just go to settings. And this will go to general. And then you go all the way down to reset. Reset. And then if you want to restore all your iPod, you click erase all content and settings. And then you erase the iPod. Erase iPod. And it's going to shut off. And then it's going to turn back on. And then it's going to go to a little bar. White bar. Like that. And it's going to load and take a long time. But whatever, if people are too lazy to plug it into iTunes, or else they don't have a computer, or whatever, you just restore your iPod like this. And I'll just come back when it's done. Alright, I'm back and it's finally done. So now it's just gonna restart up again. And it's gonna go to a little bar, I think. And then it's gonna go quick. Yeah, it's gonna go to a little bar and it's gonna seem like it's gonna go slow, but then it's gonna go quick like after like 1 minute. Just watch. See, now it's done. And now it says connect to iTunes. So just let me grab my iTunes, or my cord for my, whatever you call it, iPod. So I got it here. Connect it into my iPod. And just put it, I'll just put it there. And just connect it to my computer. Now it's gonna make a little sound like that. It means it's like charging or whatever. Well then, you'll have to open up iTunes. So you just look at the screen now, not the webcam. And it says accessing iTunes Store, but then it says iPod in the front. And I'll just keep the iPod and the webcam just to let you see what it is, what's it doing. That's what it's doing. It says slide to unlock. Slide to unlock it, everything's restored. But now, look at the screen. Now it says restore from backup or set up as a new iPod. And I'll just restore from, I don't know, and I'll set up as a new iPod. And then I'll just get rid of this and I'll just put Jake's. I don't want anything on it, so I'm just gonna click these little arrows. I was gonna say sync in progress. It's really not syncing anything, but yeah. And I could update mine to 4.0.2 right now, but I don't feel like it because it's gonna take a while. I'll just make another video on how to update your iPod. And that's my next video, okay? And yeah, that's basically all you have to do to restore your iPod from back to factory settings. And now it's just, I'm just gonna wait till it's done syncing, and I'm gonna show you it actually works. Well, I already showed you how it works, but I'm gonna show you it like actually works. God, I'm retarded. I have a cold right now, so yeah. So I'm sniffing a lot. Oh, there you go, it's done. Now it says on the screen iPod sync is complete. It's okay to disconnect. I'll disconnect mine because I don't really need to connect it to the computer. And then yeah, that's it. And then there you go. And my latest version is, I'll show you. It's 4.0, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, version 4.0 right there. Alright, now just comment, rate, subscribe, and if this is helpful, put thumbs up. And yeah, thanks for watching.